It's the stagger one.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this week's video, I'm going to be doing struggles with owning a dog. So if you enjoyed the video,
The puller unlocks. When you want to go to the bathroom.
what's gonna happen?
There's probably a
With the technical college system of Georgia, Hong Education has overwhelmed, offering courses that will transfer to a long list of work.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm going to be copying my best friend Sophia's Instagram photo. I've seen this trend all over social media and I thought okay.
In the world, Magic Mountain has more roller coasters in one park than any other on the planet, and Great Adventure also has a fantastic lineup. So I think it'll be very interesting to see which park will win this battle. Right off the bat, Great Adventure is the one of the best. Superman Ultimate Flight is fun. It's a classic B&M flying coaster. Garth the Q Line is elaborately themed. The theming on this coaster really makes the ride. It's just a wild mouse in a box, but they made it fun by adding this to this category. Tiana, both coasters is the color scheme. So both parks will be earning 2 points. Next is another 3-point category, the wooden roller coasters, Apocalypse and El Toro. Both are fun. Apocalypse is your classic GCI, while El Toro, by far, is going to take the cake for this category. This is one of the best wooden roller coasters in the world. It has an unforgettable drop. It's the only wooden roller coaster with a cable lift, has some outstanding airtime, and some insane big turns. Without a doubt, El Toro. Alright, it's that time of year. Six Flags has made their official announcements for what rides will be coming to their parks in 2018. We got a lineup of some cool rides, some attractions I think a lot of people are going to be looking forward to. We got some first of its kinds, we got some roller coasters, but do note that I will be doing a full separate video on the roller coasters. I'm not going to analyze the 40 free spin go to Six Flags Mexico because it's a 40 free spin and we already have our own opinions on that. But if you're looking for a video on Twisted Cyclone, that is its full separate analysis. So in this video, we're mainly going to be talking about the other rides that the other parks announced that aren't roller coaster based. And then we'll kind of talk about what we think about these announcements in general. So let's first start with the flagship park, Six Flags Magic Mountain. For this, we are looking at the world's tallest pendulum ride. This is a Zamperla giant discovery called... Who is this? What is she wearing?
What is this supposed to be? Okay, we found the new star. Alright, we're going to do this differently then. Let's make the family first. Oh yeah, we're keeping her. You can't just randomize this character away. Wanda is a good first name. I was thinking maybe something that incorporates like Cheetah, because she clearly seems to like Cheetah. This seems good. Can't stand art, neurotic, hates the outdoors, natural.